Hello students, a very happy morning to all of you. In this video, we are going to revise for your English monthly test. Today at 4 p.m. you'll be writing your English test. So I want you all to prepare well for your test without wasting your time and to watch this video till the end to revise for your English test. And as you all know, the portions for English monthly test is just one lesson. Okay, it's a very easy lesson about animals and their babies. Yes, it is lesson 6. I love my baby. So you must study all the book exercise, mainly the grammar part, the adjectives, and also your classwork notes. Now let's start the revision according to your question pattern. Students, let's quickly look at the question pattern now. Your question paper is for 35 marks and you'll be writing the test for an hour. So first Roman letter is write the missing letters. So you know that I'll be asking you questions from the new words which you learned from this lesson. And second Roman letter is write the baby names of these animals. So you must learn all the baby names which is mentioned in your lesson 6. And third Roman letter is adjectives. So fill in the blanks with correct adjectives from the brackets, followed by underlining the adjectives in the sentences. So you have to find out the adjective and underline it in the sentence. And fifth Roman letter is fill in the blanks with listen or hear. And sixth one, read the sentence and answer the following questions. And seventh Roman letter is answer the following question in just one or two sentences. Again, 3 questions will be asked under this Roman letter. So each question will carry 2 marks. So you'll be getting 6 marks in this part. And the last Roman letter is think and answer question. So children, you'll remember that you have got 2 think and answer questions only. So from that 2 you'll be asked 1 question. So when you answer that question, you'll be getting 3 marks for that. So the total marks will be 35. First, let's start with the spelling words. First one, red, R-E-A-R-E-D, red. Second, nursery, N-U-R-S-E-R-Y, nursery. Third, dam, D-A-M-S, dams. Fourth, logs, L-O-G-S, logs. Fifth, bond, B-O-N-D, bond. Second Roman letter, write the baby names of these animals. First one, spider, and the baby name is spiderling. Second, dog, puppy. Cat, kitten. Horse, and the baby name of horse is foal. Kangaroo, joy, kangaroo, joy. Goose, gosling. Seventh one, deer, fawn. Eighth one, goat, yes it is kid. So the baby name of spider is spiderling, very good. And second one, what is the baby name for dog? Yes, it is puppy. Third, baby name of cat is kitten. Horse is foal. What is the baby name for kangaroo? Joy. Goose, gosling. Deer, fawn. What is the baby name for goat, children? Yes, it is kid. Next, Roman number 3, underline the adjectives in this sentence. So students, do you remember what are adjectives? Adjectives are called describing words. So we have learned that adjectives are friends of noun because they tell about the noun. So adjectives are words that describe the noun or tell about the noun. So now let's underline the adjectives in these sentences. First one, the water of the river was cold. So which is the adjective here? Yes, students, you're right. Cold. Cold is the adjective. Second one, Mama Beaver is a good mother. So what is the adjective here? Yes, it is good. Third one, an armadillo has 4 babies at a time. So the adjective is a number here. Answer is 4. Fourth one, elephants have a long childhood. So which is the adjective here? Yes, it is long. Fifth one, a car has 4 wheels. How many wheels a car has? 4 wheel. 4 is the adjective. Sixth one, Kalimpong is a beautiful city. Yes, so adjective is beautiful. Seventh one, a sunflower is yellow. So which is the adjective here? Yellow. Eighth one, December has 31 days. The adjective is 31. So when I ask you to underline the adjective, you must write the sentence in your classwork or in your test note and then underline the adjective with pencil. Moving on to the next Roman letter, fill with correct adjectives from the brackets. So first one, my grandmother is very. As children, most of you have guessed it right. Answer is clever. Second, the water in the pot is cold. Very good. Third one, a crow cannot be. A crow cannot be. So what is the color of crow? Yes, you all know the color of crow is black. So a crow cannot be green. Okay, a crow cannot be green. So I have written greeny there. So the answer is green. Okay, don't write Y there. Fourth one, Fali's clothes got wet in the rain. So next, moving on to fifth Roman letter, fill in the blanks with listen or hear. As you know, the words listen and hear, they don't have the same meaning. They have got different meaning. Hear means it means whatever sound you're able to hear through your ears. Okay. So what does listen means? Listen means you're paying attention to someone or somebody. For example, now you're all listening to me through this video, isn't it, children? So listening means you're paying attention to someone. You're carefully listening to them. You're attentively noting whatever they are talking to you. So next we'll do an exercise based on this. Fill in the blanks with listen or hear. Hello Seema, can you hear my voice clearly? Yes? Are you able to hear my voice? Second one, dash, I want to tell you something. So your friends will call you and tell, no, Sharan, I want to tell you something. Listen. So listen is pay attention to me. Listen, I want to tell you something. Third one, do you like to listen to music? Yes. Fourth one, children, please listen to your teacher carefully. Fifth, sorry, I didn't hear the doorbell. I didn't hear the sound of doorbell. Next, moving on to question and answers. Read the sentence and answer the questions. So you'll be given one sentence. You must read it and answer the questions which are given below. And the armadillo is a strange little animal that looks like something out of a storybook. So A, what makes an armadillo look like a strange little animal? So the answer is an armadillo has a coat made up of hard but supple plates. So these make it look like a strange little animal. So the coat of the armadillo, which is made by hard plates, make it look like a strange little animal. So the second one, what does an armadillo do when it is in danger? So what does it do when an armadillo is in danger? It rolls itself into a hard ball so that no enemy is able to harm it. So when armadillo is in danger, it rolls into a hard ball so that the enemy is not able to harm it. Next, how many babies does an armadillo mother have at one time. An armadillo mother has 4 babies at one time. So, how many babies? The answer is 4. Question number 2. The babies are born in a dome-shaped hut on a river bank or by a stream. So first question, to which babies does the above sentence refer? The above sentence refers to baby beavers. B-E-A-V-E-R-S. Beavers. Second one, when the babies are older, what 3 things does their mother teach them to do in river? When the babies are older, Mother Beaver teaches them to swim, to catch fish and build dams. So what are the 3 things? The Mother Beaver teaches them to swim, S-W-M, swim, catch fish and build dams. Next, question number C. How do they build a dam? Describe in your own words. So, how do the beavers build a dam? The baby beavers have to learn to gnaw at trees. G-N-A-W, gnaw at trees and cut logs. L-O-G-S, logs. Then they learn to roll the logs to the river. So first they gnaw the trees, cut the logs and then they roll the logs to the river. Fill up the gaps between the logs with stones and plaster them with mud. So they fill up the gaps between the logs with stones and plaster them with mud. Next, answer these questions. Where does Mama Polar Bear have her cubs? Yes, students, you're right. Mama Polar Bear has her cubs in an ice cave. Second one, name 2 things that an armadillo eats. Armadillo eats insects and plants. Third one, name 2 animals that carry their young in a pouch. So what are the 2 animals? Yes, they are kangaroos and opossums. 2 animals that carry their young in a pouch are kangaroos and opossums. So you must remember the spelling of these 2 words. Kangaroos, K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O-S, kangaroos. Opossums, O-P-O-S-S-U-M-S, opossum. Describe a newborn opossum. A newborn opossum is a tiny and hairless and lives in its mother's pouch for 8 weeks. So next we'll move on to think and answer questions. Why do you think an armadillo wears a coat? An armadillo wears a coat for protection, to protect from the enemies. Okay, the hard supple plates protect the armadillo from enemies. Second one, why do you think a joey stays in its mother's pouch? A joey stays in its mother's pouch for protection. When the baby is born, it is small, blind and defenseless. So the mother is able to protect it. Students, now it's time for you to study at your home. First, you can learn all the book exercise and then the question and answers. Question answers I want you all to write and see in your rough notebook. Since you have got only 1 lesson for this test, I want you all to get full marks. Okay, everyone must get 35 out of 35. Okay, children, try to do your best. Also, write neatly in your test notebook. After finishing your test, what are you supposed to do? Yes, you must send the snapshots to your class teacher's WhatsApp number. Thank you, children. Thank you for watching this video. And all the very best, dear students.